Right guys, so today we're talking about foam rolling the adductor muscles, which sit just on the inside of the leg there. So to do this, we place the foam roll onto the floor. We literally lay on our stomachs, take our leg, or bend our knee to a 45-degree angle, okay? And then all we're going to do from here is literally roll up and down the inside of the leg. So one thing I recommend doing with this is to make sure that your big toe is pointed down towards the floor. You'll find, if you're anything like me, that this is very, very tender. Just with like other demonstrations that I tend to do, you can add movement to this as well. So all we do is, as we're rolling, we literally bend that knee and get the pin and stretch going through the adductor muscles. And it really is as simple as that. It's just incredibly uncomfortable to do. So give that one a go and let me know how you get on.